Okay, so it's blinking. All right. Now it should take off.
Ready?
Ready.
Ooh.
That wasn't good.
First moments.
It was a bad takeoff. Oh, hey, here is the problem I had before. Whenever it kind of stops like that, you cannot turn it off. The button doesn't work to turn off, so every time you have to pull the battery out. And of course, once you take the battery out, it disconnects from your phone, so you have to reconnect to the Wi-Fi. So it's a process, it's a hassle. I think it's a buggy. There's some bug in this drone. Okay.
And it
the end.
flipped.
This is not good. Yeah, this is not good. Oh, Lynn. I smell something burning. Yeah.
Yeah, oh no.
Let's pull the battery out.
Yeah. Is it burning?
Yeah, something burnt out.
Oh.
I think this is the end of it, folks. Goodbye $43 or $45, however much I paid. I think this is the end of it. I don't think...
Smelling?
Yeah, I can smell.
Oh wow. Strong smell.
It's a very strong smell.
Like oil?
I think we may have burnt out one or multiple motors. Yeah, I'm just going to try to put this...
Is it possible to look inside?
I'm not sure. I don't think so. Oh no. See?
Yeah, it just keeps going.
I think something really burnt out, and then...
You smell it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The battery doesn't come out.
Yeah, something happened.
Well, I changed my mind again. I do not recommend this. I cannot. It just...
Not possible.
It is, yeah. It sometimes flies well, and sometimes it just fails miserably. I don't know what was different. Both batteries were fully charged, and on the second time it didn't want to take off. And then it went down and got into the grass and burnt out something. And now when I put the battery on, are you still filming?
Yeah.
Hold it steady. Okay.
You see it?
Yeah.
It's just going. Just keeps going. Like...
And the battery is very difficult to pull out.
The throttle's off.
Yeah.
Throttle's off. I don't know.
Yeah, this is gone. Goodbye GoolRC H3. I won't be buying another of you. I do not recommend anybody buying this. I'm sorry I kept changing my mind, but hey, it didn't even crash. It just like didn't take off and then landed into grass and burnt out something. Smells terrible.